Hello G, long time no see. It's been a while I posted any videos on YouTube. The reason is because I did not made any videos. And the reason I did not made any videos is because I was sick. And not just any sick. I was COVID sick. Although I am vaccinated and not just any vaccinated, I am Pfizer vaccinated, yet still I got sick. And I have to tell you, it's no joke. Though I was sick for a very short period of time, as vaccine did help me recover fast, but I have to say, the fever, the body aches, and no taste, no smell, I mean, that's all real and it's pretty bad. It hits you like a train. Anyways, long story short, I'm all recovered now and my test results came negative a few days ago. So I am picking up my life where I left by going to my dentist. Health is wealth, and health is not just going to the gym and having exercise or eating good or clean. It's also keeping yourself fresh and clean, especially your mouth. Anyways, I'm almost here at my dentist's place, and after my dentist appointment, we will be going to the biggest fair of Pennsylvania, which happens in Bloomsburg and is called Bloomsburg Fair or something like that. I have to say, getting these teeth clean is never easy. It's always a torture, but the job is done and they're clean now. Anyways, now it's time to go to the Bloomsburg Fair, which is the biggest fair of Pennsylvania, and people from all over come to see that fair. My doctor was saying that I need more than a day to explore that whole fair because there's lots of food, lots of vendors, entertainment, music, and a lot of other things that I don't know because I have never been there. But anyways, we'll see how they'll be, and I'll try to cover as much as I can. But before that, let me clean my lens. It looks a little bit dirty. Here we go. Now it looks a little bit clean. Wasn't it smooth? Do you want to learn some Urdu?
Yeah, I'm always asking you to teach me.
Okay, let me teach you how to say that you are a good girl, like I am a good girl, okay?
Okay.
Say, मैं अच्छी बच्ची हूँ.
मैं अच्छी बच्ची हूँ.
There you go. That was easy for you, right?
Yeah, very easy.
So now there's another one. It means that I am a very good girl. Okay?
Let's see, yeah.
Now say, मैं गंदी बच्ची हूँ.
Actually, you know, you're so good, so आप गंदा बच्चा हो.
No more Urdu for you. I have to say, I have never seen these many cars parked all together for anything. This is actually looks like the biggest fair of Pennsylvania. I literally have no idea where to park my car, but you know the drill. While I find a parking spot among these thousands and thousands and thousands of cars, you go and enjoy some drone footage. But before that, do subscribe the channel. I need some subscribers. That I parked the car 5 million miles away. So when I was flying the drone, I realized that I need to bring the car a little bit forward to the place so I can at least walk towards the place. So reparked the car and now trying to find the entrance. I don't know where that is. The signboard said to walk towards gate 5, so let's see where gate 5 leads us. Our entrance to this fair was not as easy as changing of these scenes. It was very complicated, as there was a fee to the entrance that was $8 in person and $7 if you purchase the ticket online. And me being me, tried to purchase the ticket online, but due to the system was being down, I never received the QR code, which we were unable to show the people at the entrance, and hence they gave us a very tough time to enter the fair. Anyways, now we are in, so let's enjoy the fair. In this Bloomsburg fair, people try to bring like all kind of farm animals, like literally all kind of farm animals, and they compete for best animals and they sell their animals along with their farm products. There are hundreds and thousands of people around over here, but I think I'm the only brown dude over here. Wow. I feel unique. My value goes up. That is kind of true though, as I was the only brown guy in the whole fair. So I guess my value did went up. So now you gotta subscribe. Oh, by the way, the thing that I'm having right now are called potato pancakes, and they are just amazing, delicious, made up of potatoes. And if you never had them, I guess it's time to come out of your caves and have some potato pancakes. We just had homemade potato pancake, yet still this woman over here with me is such a foodie. She just got another things. What's this?
A homemade pierogi.
Homemade pierogies. This is filled with potatoes and a sour cream and yeah,
Onions and butter.
lots of more calories.
So good. So good.
While walking around after the food, I saw a lot of like places where like games were going on, so I also wanted to play a game and try my luck to win some stuffed animal, and it did not went well. So we have to shoot the star? Yes, now. I did a good job though. I did not know the star has to come out. Otherwise I would have sorted around it.
I thought you were doing that.
I tried to win you something, but I lost.
It was a waste of my $5.
I know, but it was fun. After losing her only investment in me to win her that stuffed toy, I guess it was time to move on now. This place is so huge that it has all kind of stuff, all like animals, food, all kind of vendors, shopping, anything. And now this art and culture and stuff, like anything that you can think of is over here. That's a perfect representation of the culture and the country. Anyways, I don't know how much we can explore and not explore, but we'll try to see as much as we can. This fair was so huge that no matter in whichever direction we went, it was just never-ending stream of vendors. That's a nice backpack.
Thank you.
I think I have the same.
Oh, got one like it, huh? Nice.
Yep.
Works great, doesn't it?
True, we have the same backpack.
Oh yeah, wow.
As long as I don't have your stuff in yours and mine,
Exactly.
and my stuff in yours, we're good.
Have a good day.
Great. Yeah, you too.
Thank you.
Go to the fair.
After meeting my backpack buddy, I was getting tired and it was getting late, but I could not leave this place without listening to the Oldie Poldie live concert. This place is so huge that it could not be explored in just one day, but we try to explore as much as we can in like 4 hours, and I think we barely touched only 30% of the vendors. Anyways, it's getting late, so it's time to head out now. I think I'll give up exploring all of this thingy and head back home now. And that was it for the day. I'm super tired, but the day was fun, but I'm tired right now. So heading home because home is 1 hour away from here. And you guys subscribe the channel, like the video, and yeah, just do whatever you want. Have a good day. Peace.